what's going on, my fellow adventurers? Seth here again, and I am here at this 5 mile picnic area. This is in Parowan, Utah. This is just a little bit 20 miles north of where we live. And I'm gonna hike Noah's Ark. No, this is not your what you're thinking Noah's Ark, but this is a trail I have not done yet. I've been here before many times. I've done some other trails within the area, but this is gonna be a first. So I want to invite you guys along with me, and let's go discover this trail together, shall we? When you're coming from this parking lot, there I parked. Normally in the late spring, the summer, that gate is open, but there is a little entrance right there to the side of it. You just have to come down through here and walk down this little path here to get to the Noah's Ark trailhead. Beautiful. There's a creek over here nearby. Gorgeous. it. Beautiful. Look at this. Gorgeous views. Definitely need your trekking poles on this one. This last half mile, the trail is not that long, but the elevation climb is steep. I believe it's over 3,300 feet in a short amount of distance, and you feel it. There's some, at this time of year, this is March, there's still some ice and snow, but well worth it. Gorgeous views. Gorgeous views. I'm trying these Peak Performance. I've tried their meals, their hiking meals. This is Peak Refuel cookie bites. They are bites. They're peanut butter chocolate chip, or I'm not sponsored by these guys. Well, if they want to, Peak Performance, or I will be your guinea pig. I like trying their stuff. Their taste is really good. These are great. Nice little snacks to have when you take your breaks. Get your protein, carbs, refuel on the trail or whatever you're doing. These are good. It's almost 5 p.m. I got started a little late, but I knew that this hike wasn't that long. So thankfully we got some longer sunny days this time of year. So make sure you bring trekking poles on this trail. Definitely bring a lot of water. You might be consuming a little bit more. That's about what I'd recommend. All right, head back to the car. So out this way, I can actually see my car down here. Beautiful. No one out today. No one on the trails. Of course, it's a weekday, so get to have the trails all to yourself. It's nice about being retired military is you get to have more time to get out and do the things you love. And you need it. You need to do it. No one's gonna do it for you. That's my thoughts anyways. But alright. Pack it up and head back. I would definitely recommend this trail. Beautiful. Absolutely worth it. Hey guys, just finished. Car's right over there. This was an awesome trail, Noah's Ark. Here in Dixie National Forest, Parowan, Utah. Highly recommend it. I'll be coming back here. Trail was a little slushy, had some ice, a little bit of just some snowpack. Bring some trekking poles if you're going to. Make sure you just wear the proper footwear. Other than that, water. It was really beautiful. The elevation does climb quite a bit, so take that in consideration. But highly recommend this. This is in Parowan. I haven't been to this place yet. It's Jersey's Corner. I'm gonna maybe go in here and get a hamburger. I've heard they're really good, so I'll let you know how it tastes. But Parowan's a really cool small town. If you guys haven't come through here, it's a small town feel. It's called a Big Boy Burger. Look at that. Ooh. Onion rings. Oh yeah. Cheers. Okay, that was super good. I would highly recommend Jersey's Corner. So it was kind of cool. They said that they've been there since June of last year. It was a Mexican restaurant, and they bought it, and they used to be a food truck. I think they still have the food truck, and they have some awesome burgers. Big Boy Burger, highly recommend it, guys. That's a great stop after you've had a long day. You're coming from Bryan Head. Come down to Parowan. Cheers. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Hey, good afternoon. 1, 2, 1, 2. Final one. Final entrance. Final intro. Final intro. I'm coming back for the camera. Oh.